David, I'm the sales manager here at Elite Audio. We are based in the stunning East Neuk of Fife, very close to St Andrews, and what we do here is retail some of the most sought after brands available in high fidelity audio currently worldwide. On this channel you can see some of our unboxing videos, which are a bit of fun. There's also links to our pre-owned units that we've made videos of, and you can view our acclaimed lifting the lid feature where Mark and I literally lift the lid on some of these products. If you like what you see here, feel free to check us out online at our website. Details are here. Also Facebook, have a look there, and if you like it, please do like us on there, or we're also on Instagram. Any other questions, feel free to get in touch via the contact information we have here. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy the channel.